Everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm gonna let you know how you can deposit money in your OKX wallet. So in order to deposit money in your OKX wallet, you just have to follow the steps. Now, first thing, you have to go and log in into your OKX wallet account. When you're logged in, that's going to take you to the home page. When you actually go and log in into your OKX wallet account, then it's going to take you to the home page. So from the home page, tap on the three dot and go to the deposit section. When you press on the deposit button, then you have to first of all select the asset what you're actually depositing, and next thing you need to go ahead and paste in the wallet address of the sender. When you actually do that, you need to go ahead and enter the exact amount, confirm all of the transactions that you've made, and with that you'll have successfully deposited money into your OKX wallet account. In this case, what you can do is, if you are depositing crypto, you can then deposit crypto into your OKX. After that, you can convert it to fiat currency, and with that you'll be able to deposit money into your OKX wallet account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.